and finally we can try this out. So yes, finally, it's really finally. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and in this video we're gonna do some exploration here. We're gonna search for a new restaurant, a local restaurant here in Siargao, especially in the General Luna. I saw a post on Facebook, and it says it's a new open restaurant. Yeah, it's kind of restaurant because you have to eat there. And yes, so what we're gonna do in there is we're gonna meet him and we're gonna explore this. I don't know what time I'm gonna go there, or what I just comment on his post on Facebook and says, hey, hopefully I can go there. And so that's our mission for today. So without further ado, let's get it on. So yeah guys, finally we found this Paris with rice Mami here in Luna, and finally we can try this out. So yes, finally, it's really finally. Kuya, ikaw yung si
Jazz.
Jazz.
Ay, puto.
Ayan, so guys, nakita natin tong napakalupit na ikaw yung may-ari, di ba?
Oo.
So, ito si Kuya Jazz. So, yes, finally. Napuntahan ko na rin to. Oh my God. So, let's try it out. So, here we go. So yeah guys, we're finally here, came in here, and finally it was a lucky thing because I was the last serve for today's servings. And yes, according to Ate, that I am the last serve. But yes, finally we can try this awesome thing here. Natawag dito Ate? What? Ito yung fried rice. So garlic fried rice. And here we have vegan lumpia, and of course the Paris. So if you wanted to come here, it's only here in General Luna, like Purok 5. And ano yung landmark dito kuya?
Front of Barangay Hall.
Okay, so just in front of Barangay Hall in Purok 5. So I'm gonna put a description, maybe in the map or whatever it is. Just click on the description and you will find it. So let's sibog. Because I don't know really about this Paris thing, but I know the Mami together with the daddy.
Oh, no.
Now it's Kua Jazz. So Kuya, so how to eat this thing, like fried rice with the lumpia and the Paris? And what is this Ricardo part here?
We have here the soy sauce. And others here for Paris and patis. Here the garlic, the chili oil, and the calamansi syrup.
So Ricardo is mix we gonna chibog na. I'm very gutom na. So, yes, yes, yes. Guys, Riley, it's very awesome, and look at what I did. I had an empty ball. It means if you're really empty, you know what it means. It's very awesome. So guys, don't miss it out to come here and to try this Paris here in Kua Jazz business right here in only in Purok 5, like in front of Barangay Hall. Or if you don't know where's Barangay Hall, this, if you know the terminal of tricycle, just turn right. Just turn right. And yes, it's very awesome. And maybe soon they're gonna have a Facebook. No? Or yes, I'm gonna put on Kua Jazz Facebook account on the description so that you will contact him directly. And guys, please hashtag support locals. Yes, thank you very much. And what we have here, empty balls. And all thanks kudos to Kua Jazz. Salamat kayo. Salamat kayo.
Salamat kayo.
Very nice. And of course her wife. Wife, no? Girlfriend slash wife. Yes, so yes. So thank you very much guys for watching, and of course support locals, Kua Jazz and ate. Ano pa ang ate? Hi. Hi? As in hi?
C-A-I.
Hi. Oh, it's very interesting name, like Kai or Hi, something like that. So yes, thank you so much, Kua Jazz, for serving me, and of course, guys, very awesome. Hindi kayo magsisisi in Tagalog. Yeah. So yeah, thank you very much. And that's all for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on my next adventure.